is what community looks like.
And tens of thousands of protesters have gathered across the United States and other parts of the world to demonstrate against US President Donald Trump's policies. The hands-off rallies, as they're known, voiced opposition to President Trump's plans to downsize the US government, reshape human rights, and his handling of economic issues.
So the biggest news in the Hispanic community and non-residents in this country, United States, in May 2025 of this year, the Department of Housing and Urban Development has revised their guidelines for non-permanent residents. So they're gonna make it ineligible for Federal Housing Administration, that's the FHA mortgage. The reason for that is that Trump in his administration has changed the policies to ensure that FHA loans are provided only to individuals with stable long-term residency status in the United States. Under the new policy, individuals without permanent resident status, including those with pending asylum claims or beneficiaries of the Deferred Action of Childhood Arrivals or DACA programs, are no longer eligible for FHA insured loans. So previously, non-permanent residents could qualify for FHA loans, and if they met certain criteria, such as having a valid social security number or evidence of work authorization in the United States. But however, with the updated guidelines, only US citizens and lawful permanent residents are eligible for FHA insured mortgages now. So it's important for non-permanent residents seeking home finance options to explore alternative mortgages programs that may accommodate their specific resident status. My name is Ina Coronado from the Coronado Realty Group here in Waco, Texas, and this news is very tragic to a lot of people, especially in our Hispanic community, but we're here to help you, and there's ways that we can help you find lending to buy your first home. And I know that's the American dream for a lot of people, so don't despair. There's things that you can do even with an FHA loan. FHA loan really helps a lot of people just putting about 3% down. But there's many more options where you might pay a little bit more out of pocket, but the dream of still owning your first home is still available for you. So one way to still be able to purchase your home is using a conventional loan. And that means having a valid visa, having US credit history and income documents, and having a US bank to show proof that you're able to pay for the home. You can use an ITIN loan, ITIN number, if you don't have a social security number, or usually it requires a larger payment, about 15 to 25%. And a lot of credit unions, community banks, and private lenders offer that. There's also hard money loans and private loans where people like your friends, family, or investors that you know, they will help you buy the home that you want, and it's based on the property's value, not on your credit history, and it's faster approval, may have higher interest rates and with shorter terms, but it's more an investment type of loan where you're gonna pay those investors, your family, your friends back, but you still keep the house and it's under your name. So even with the new FHA guidelines in place, there's still many possibilities that you're able to have the American dream of owning a home. And if you're here in Waco, we would love to help you. We can get you in touch with a lender to see what's your best option if FHA is no longer available for you. So don't be scared. So reach out to us so we can help you find the best home for you.